Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Sparkling Fantasy. I make card making videos for various occasions and some craft videos also. Please do subscribe my channel and share my videos to support me. Drawing and coloring is a fun, but don't you have colors or can't you buy them due to lockdown? Don't worry, today I wanna show you how to make acrylic colors and perfect watercolors at your home with home ingredients. We can make more than 24 colors easily at home, and I will also show you which is better between homemade watercolor and acrylic color. While making this video, I discovered how to make a secret color. So watch the video till the end. At first, we will make three basic or primary colors: red, blue and yellow. From these three colors, we can make more than 21 colors. Take some glue. Here I am using white glue. You can use any school glue, but white glue base is better than all. Now add some water. Mix it well. Now add food color. Nowadays it is easily available in everyone's home. I am using red food color for red color. You can use red lead or sindoor or gel pen refill or any types of marker pen and mix it well. Add blue food color for blue color. Here you can use gel pen refill or marker pen and mix it well. For yellow color, I am using turmeric powder. Here you can also use food color, but I found the best result using turmeric powder. As it is powder, add more water and mix it well. So our basic tree color is ready now. Let's make some more colors from home ingredients. Take the glue water base and add few drops of white fabric brightener or ujala. And mix it well. For black color, I am using coal. First, grind it well to make coal powder. But make sure to take black coal and not the ashes and mix it with the base. You will find ash or grey color here. Add more coal powder to make it darker. You will not get proper black from coal powder. First, we will make watercolor, and for this we need a white base. Take 1½ spoon of talcum or baby powder. You can use any brand. Add 1 spoon of glue and some water. Then mix it well. The consistency will be like this. As we are making watercolor, we have to take a liquid base. Now add few drops of red color to make it pink and mix it well. Add few more drops to make it red. Add few drops of blue, violet, yellow and ash color to get the perfect color and mix it well. But remember, you must clean the spoon or mixer you use to mix the colors before mixing another color. Otherwise, you will not get the perfect color. See how bright the yellow color is. Just amazing. Now add 1 drop of blue and 2 drops of yellow to make light green color. To make green color, add 2 drops of yellow and 3 drops of blue. Add 2 drops of yellow and 1 drop of red to make the orange color. Now add 2 drops of red and 3 drops of blue color for dark purple color. Add 1 drop of red and 1 drop of ujala or fabric brightener to make onion color or magenta color or the purple color. Add 1 drop of red and 1 drop of violet and 2 drops of yellow to make light brown. Add 1 more drop of red to make it brown. Add 2 drops of yellow and 3 to 4 drops of blue to make it dark green color. But to make ocean blue, add 1 or more drops of blue. Two drops of red and 1 drop of ash will make light chocolate color.
And 1 more drop of red will give you the perfect chocolate color.
1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue color and 2 drops of yellow color will make olive color. 1 little drop of blue and 1 drop of yellow color will make lemon green color. To make fire red color, use 3 drops of red and 2 drops of yellow color. Here we have made 21 colors. Drops may vary. Adjust the drops according to the color you want. Let's check the colors. I watched many videos on YouTube for making homemade color and found no perfect video for that. When I tried, I failed. After trying few times, I found this process helpful for making perfect watercolor at home and wanted to share it with you. See how bright all the color is. Really amazing. Each and every color is so charming. This is the best process for making watercolor at home, I think. I love the yellow color most, the perfect yellow. Now we will make acrylic colors. First we need to make the base. This is the watercolor base which I made before with talcum powder and glue and water. Now add some regular flour or maida. Add some glue. And finally add some water. You can adjust the ingredients as you like, but the base will not be so concentrated or so diluted. The consistency will be like this. Now add colors as you like or as I said while making watercolor. This is dark pink and now I am making baby pink color. On acrylic, you can get all the 24 colors. Add a little drop of blue and yellow and violet to make it lighter.
If you want to make the lighter colors, just add a little drop of color with the white base. Then the color will be ready.
With the equal drop of red and yellow, you will get the light orange. Add one more drop of red to make it more dark orange. Now I am making all the colors which I made before.
I never give voice to any of my videos, but I feel the need to give voice on this video so that you can easily understand the process and can make it easily at your home. Before making this video, I tried several times with different process, but I failed. Finally, I got this process helpful. Now I am sharing this with you. I made some paintings to check the color and made no video. But my sister made 2 separate videos on homemade watercolors and acrylic colors. She loves the watercolors most. I will give you the video link in the description below. I hope you will find it helpful.
Let's check the colors. You can't get the perfect touch with this homemade acrylic color. You can use it for dot painting or for kids. My sister made some paintings with handmade colors. Let's see this. This is dot painting made with cotton bud. This is another painting done by my sister. She used homemade watercolor to paint it. It looks very colorful and bright. I can't believe that it was done with homemade watercolor. This is another painting and I made this with homemade acrylic color. But the black color is not homemade. I used it to complete the painting. My sister made video tutorials of these paintings. I will give you the link in the description box below. Now I will show you how to make the black watercolor. I discovered it while making this video. For this, add some fire orange color, some ujala and add more blue. Now check the color. The perfect black watercolor.
Hope you enjoyed this video and this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your opinion by commenting. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. It's completely free. And of course, share my videos with your family and friends. Stay safe. Pray for me and my family. Allah Hafiz.